Hi everyone, just want to do a review on this cool ice cream playset that we got for our daughter. She's a little over 2, so this is perfect for her. She watches a show that plays a game with ice cream, so she's super obsessed. Oh wow, yeah. So this is a really cool toy. She's been having a lot of fun with it. They're very easy to switch on and off the different flavors, the different toppings. It has a little cup. As you can see here, I'll show you some of the toppings. So they're pretty cool. It's fun. I like to quiz her and ask her, I want vanilla ice cream with chocolate topping, and just see how well she's listening and how much she's learning. So this is great. It has really cool colors on it. And what I like about it, it actually comes with a menu. So it's pretty fun. And it comes with play money. So she's learning that. When I ask her for something off the menu, she's telling me, $1. So I gotta pay her. So that's actually a pretty cool part of the game also, or the toy also. It's a fun little game we play with her. So yeah, I definitely recommend. Like I said, she's really in love with this toy. One of the best ones we bought so far. Its quality is made very well, and I would definitely recommend. You're gonna get a lot of enjoyment out of this, or your child will, and a lot of entertainment. So yeah, hopefully you like the review. Thank you.